if you remember? Huh? No one? Okay, Muhammad, let me listen to Muhammad.
Oh, one of my teacher. The associative property is the associative property is one of a group or addition group. Associative property is grouping.
Is grouping. Okay, good. What about you, Anas?
And multiplication.
What do you think, Anas? What do you have? What can you tell us about the associative property of multiplication?
When you multiply three numbers, you can choose two numbers you want to start first, multiply them.
Okay, who else wanna explain for us what is the associative property? Anyone else can add anything? Huh? Okay, yes, Rahma, let me listen to you.
Three ways to find the multiplication.
Again, Surya, I couldn't hear you well.
Teacher, I am sorry.
No problem, Hannah. No problem. We just started right now. So be with us, Hannah. Huh? Yalla, Rahma, what is the associative property of multiplication?
Show three ways to find the multiplication.
Okay, what are these ways?
Like you make 2 multiply 3 equals 4. And 3 multiply 2 equals 4.
That's great. That means what do we do by the numbers? What do we do to the numbers while multiplying them? As Muhammad said, we group them together. I will add just a little bit thing to the word group. I will say regroup them. How come? Always remember the associative property by making this action. What I'm doing now? I'm changing the place of my hands, right?
Yeah.
So the associative property, you just change the order of the numbers while multiplying them. Again, the associative property of multiplication is to change the order of the numbers while multiplying them. In other words, by grouping them, as your friend Muhammad said, okay? And as your friend Anas, we will show by which one we will start with. So let's see this nice example from these three students in the class of grade 3, as they have a problem of multiplication, which is 3 times 2 times 4. And we have here 3 numbers. How can we multiply it? By what we will start? Let's see the first opinion of the first student, who is Amgad. And Amgad said what? He said, teacher, I will start by multiplying 3 times 2 first. And when I get the result, I will multiply it by 4. So he put a brackets or parentheses, and he said 3 times 2 and then 4. Always when we see the brackets, as your friend Anna said, it means this is the first step. This is the thing that we will do first. So Amgad started by multiplying 3 times 2, which gives him 6. And then he took this 6 and multiplied by what? By 4. So what did he get? What was the product of this multiplication?
24.
24. Great. Come together to see Riham what she's going to do to answer this question. Riham said, teacher, I will not start by 3. She put the 2 and the 4 in brackets. Can you see? And she put the 3 first. So what do you think? She will start by multiplying what here? Sarah, what do you think? She will start by multiplying what here? Huh, Sarah? She will start by... She will start by what? طيب Hannah. Hannah, can you tell me, sweetie? Riham here will start by multiplying what?
Multiply 2 multiply 4.
Okay, how could you know that she will start by multiplying 2 times 4? How could you know?
Because the two numbers is in one box.
In brackets, say brackets. Okay, great. So if she started by multiplying 2 times 4, it means she will drop the 3 as it is, and the 2 times 4 is what?
And the result, we multiply it with the 3.
Yes? So it means
so
what
it
she
means
got from the brackets was 8. She
multiply
will...
8 equal 24.
So she got the same result as Amgad? Yes?
Yeah.
Good. So that means if we change the order of the numbers, it will not make any change in the result, right?
Right.
And this is the associative property, which is changing the order of the numbers, and we get the same result. Okay, let's see the last answer of our friend Farid. What did he do, Farid? Let's see. Farid said that, teacher, I will start by multiplying 3 and 4 together. And when I finish, teacher, I will multiply it, the result by 2, or the product by 2. So look, he put the 3 and the 4 in a bracket, and then he keep the 2 alone. So, my dear Noreen, 3 times 4 equals what, Noreen?
3 times 4 equals 12.
That's great. And 12 times 4 equals what?
24.
So
أنا آسفة يا مس عشان اللابتوب كان عايز يتشحن.
what, sweetie?
أنا آسفة عشان اللابتوب كان عايز يتشحن.
Okay, but there is a mistake here, my dears. Sorry, no one noticed it. This number is not 4. This number should be 2, okay? Because the 12 times 4 is not 24. So this is 12 times 2, okay? Just by mistake, instead of writing 2 here, I wrote 4. So that means Farid and Riham and Amgad got the same result or the same product of multiplying 3 times 2 times 4. Did all of them follow the same way? Or each one of them used a different way? Each one of them started by different numbers. So remember, this is the associative property of multiplication, which is you change the order of the numbers to multiply, okay? And if you change the order of the numbers in multiplication, you will get the same product or the same result.